today's striking and fielding game, Hit and Go Straight. In this game, you will need a cricket bat, a batting tee or a cone to hit the ball off, a ball and some cones to mark out the zones. The aim of the game is for the batter to hit the ball from the tee out into the playing area and run to one of the scoring zones before the fielders retrieve the ball back to the batting tee. Allow each batter to have 3 to 4 goes before swapping roles with one of the fielders. Here are some adaptations for you to consider. We hope you enjoyed today's game and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.